Good afternoon. How are you, everybody? So we have fitted the normal distribution and student t distribution to simulated, not really simulated, fixed return series. Okay. Now we want to fit into the NYSE now, right? Instead of the simulated, which is the NYSE returns. NYSE returns. Okay, so we're going to fit in the. So the coding is quite similar to this, just that now we have, so I can just run this and have a look. So previously we have, I think we have the fitting of a value of returns from -7 to +7. So this is the distribution of the data. So now we're going to put this inside the NYSE. Okay, NYSE. So let's say we have this fitting, let's say fitting normal and student t in NYSE returns. Okay, so this is the title we have. So we're going to have first is the normal, or we just so it's the fit, let's say normal distribution to it. Then this is assigned to, so we're going to use the maximum likelihood to estimate the mu and the sigma of a normal distribution. So the series is return NYSE. Then the distribution is normal. Okay, this one is normal. Okay, great. So after that, let's close this. So the fitting actually will give us the mean, which is the first value of normal. Let's say this is the normal for the first value, and then the second value is the sigma for normal. So this is the second estimated value. So this is for normal distribution. So previously we fit the value as 0 and 1, isn't it? For normal, 0 and 1. But now we use the maximum likelihood to estimate the actual mu and sigma for the NYSE returns. Okay, so we can just run this. I think we can just put all this to statement. Okay, so we can run this and have a look. So you see that this is our NYSE returns, and this is the estimated sigma, and maybe you can save some space. You can type in the format as compact. Right? So therefore, this will save some space. So we can just run this one more time. So you see the x and y value, the mean and variance. So this is the mean for the NYSE 0.0361, which is close to 0. The standard deviation is 0.8. So this is also close to 1, right? Close to 1. So this is the distribution of normal distribution, right? Under the maximum likelihood estimation. Okay, so if you want to fit in the student t distribution to this NYSE, so we use the fit t, let's say here. Use the MLE also. So you have a return NYSE, then the distribution is student t now. Okay, so for this one we choose the t location. Okay, this one should. Okay, so we have this. Then for t location scale, we have 3 values. First one is mean, second one is sigma, third one is degree of freedom. Okay, So previously we just used degree of freedom fixed to 3 and 5, isn't it? 3 and 5. So now we use a maximum likelihood to estimate what is the degree of freedom, okay? And the mean and variance as well. So we have a mean t, which is this is the first value. So for second value, we have a sigma t. So this is the fit t second value. The third one is the degree of freedom, which will give us the third values, okay, the third values of the estimation. So if you want to display the value, then shouldn't put the okay. So now let's see if you compare with normal distribution, then student t somehow this is normal 0.0361, but for student t is 0.05, so it's still quite close. Sigma is 0.85, but sigma for student t is 0.6. So degree of freedom is 3.67, okay, which is actually in between our assumption of 3 to 5 here, okay. So most of the financial time series actually have a degree of freedom between 3 to 6, okay. So this is actually 4 within, right? 4 within. So the plots actually this one I think we can just basically check the normality of the distribution one more time, where we can fit in the actual value, which is so have we fitted the value so far? So this is the return MIC. Actually, we have fitted it already on this one, okay, from here. So this is the let's say this. So the next step basically is so we have fitted the value, just that just now we actually estimate what is the parameters for normal and student t distribution according to this. Okay, so the fitted diagram, the histogram to this is the two graphs which has been shown earlier. So this is the actual NYSE returns, using normal and student t, normal and student t. And this is the actual parameters for the estimation. This is for mean, and this is for student t. This is for normal. Okay.